Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to try to build this type of rocket ship, alright? We are going to use a different technique. We are going to use the edit mode and we are going to try to assign afterwards colors to our rocket. So it looks something like that. You can innovate, obviously you can change the colors to your style. So I'm going to come back to you can see everything here, and what I'm going to do is to go into the front view, remember, with the number 1 on your numpad, the numbers on your right hand side on your keyboard, and the object it is selected. So I'm going to move to the side. Remember, I can click on G to grab and X on the X axis and move it so it's in a different position next to us, so I can see, or you can see what we are going to do. But also I can use the tool and then use the X axis to the side. Perfect. Okay, so now you will not have this, but I'm going to have it here so you can see. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a cylinder, because this is coming from a cylinder. Remember, you can click on Add, Mesh, and Cylinder. But what I'm going to do is to use the shortcut Shift-A, Mesh, Cylinder. And if I go to the front view, I can see that my rocket is slightly up. So obviously, the easiest thing for you is to go here and go to it. Okay? But before doing this, I'm going to show you something. So I'm going to X and remove. And I'm going to add again the cylinder. Shift-A, Mesh, Cylinder. When I do this, and before moving anything, if I do something, this Add Cylinder menu will disappear. If I click on that, by default, you have 32 vertices. I think it's 32. Anyway, different number. So I change this to 12. So I have less faces here. You don't know exactly what faces are yet, but I'm going to show you now. Alright? So when this is done, press enter, and this is have less faces. I can now hide this. To move this up, you can see that I've got these squares here. Big square and little square. One of these little square is 1 meter. 1 square meter in reality, at 1 meter. So this is 1 meter underneath the surface. So to move up exactly 1 meter, I can click and move roughly and make sure it's more or less on the line. Or I can click on G to grab and then 1 on the keyboard, but this is going on the side. So I'm going to undo if I can. I click G set 1 and then move. Okay, G set 1. If you don't want to do it like that, just move it to the top and roughly on this area. Okay, so at the moment, let me move this a little bit more to the side so you can see better. At the moment, we have been working in the object mode here. I didn't mention this before, object mode. Okay, because we have insert different objects, spheres, cubes, cylinder, cones, etc. And then we put them together to create a snowman, for example, or a tree. But what we're going to do now is to edit this element. So all of this is one only and single element. And here you can see I have 2 because this is a rocket 1, and now I've got, this is going to be my rocket 2, right? So to change to the edit view, edit mode that we have to do, I can click on here and go to edit mode, and that's working perfectly fine. But I normally don't use this. Use a shortcut, which is the tab. Tab change from one mode to the other. Can you see? I'm clicking tab a lot of times. Okay. When I'm in the edit mode, I've got 3 things that I can select. Let me zoom in a little bit. I can select faces. This is one face, another one, another one, another one, the top one, for example. I can have edges, and this is one, this is another one, this is another one, this is another one, and I can select more than one. Holding Shift, I can select different ones, as you can see, selected. And I've got vertices, which is the join of two edges, for example, this one and this one and this one. Hopefully you follow me at the moment to understand this. Again, I will explain this on the theory and on the presentation I'm sharing with you. So, what I'm going to do is something is called extrude. I'm going to put out one section of my figure. And I'm going to do this face. I'm going to go to the front view. What I'm going to do is, I've got this area here, even if you don't know yet, and I'm going to make this area here and then this area there. Okay? So I'm going to go to the face mode, select the top face, go to the front view, and as you can see, this part is 2 meters because it's 2 squares. This part is 2 meters too, 2 squares, and this part 2 meters too. So, when with the top face selected, not the side, top face selected, number 1 on the numpad to the front view, and then I click on the E to extrude, and then I'm going up, 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 up. And when I'm there, I click. I'm going to do this again, just in case you're not sure. Click on the top face, remember, faces, top, 1 on the numpad to front view, and E to extrude. I click in it once and then I move the mouse. If at some point it is too much and I make a mistake, I can undo it again. Okay? Hopefully you follow me. So click on here. So I've got one section, you can see it's divided by here. Another section, still the top face is selected. Okay? And if not, rotate a little bit, select the face, and then one again on the numpad. And again, E to extrude, and then I move up this to the top. Perfect. So now I've got the 3 faces, and the one on the top is still selected. To make this smaller, well, I think you can use the scale 1, and then make it smaller, and there you go. Okay, which is absolutely fine. And normally, as you can imagine, I use the S for the scale, and then going down. Okay, roughly there, and I get in there. Of course, the top face, the top section, the middle section, but the bottom section, as you can see, obviously I'm going to go to the top view. It is a rocket, has a base on the side, okay, and this one has not. So what I'm going to do, and hopefully you follow me, I'm going to rotate so I can see bottom part. I'm going to move this so you can see better. And now I'm going to select some edges around here, the ones I'm going to move to the side. So I'm going to edges, and I'm going to click on that one. I'm going to use this because I'm going to see what I click on that one. Hold Shift to select more than one at the same time, and I'm going to try to select more or less the opposite. So this one, and then this one, and the opposite, that one. So 1, 2, 3, 4 in 4 positions of the rocket. Okay? Hopefully you follow me so far. Now I'm going to make them go to the side, all of that. So to see this properly, I'm going to go to the top view. Remember, 1 side view, front view, 3 side view, 7 top view. Still selected, remember, they are still selected. So 7 top view, and I'm going to use the S to scale. And I'm going to use the scale here. I'm going to use the S. You can see the arrow, and then I'm pulling up until more or less I want to. Click on it. And now I've got my rocket. Okay, more or less the same. Okay, I'm doing roughly outside. So this is the first PDF. I'm going to do the second one straight away in one single PDF because I want to give the color. So to give this color, you can see this blue and white. That's it. Still in edit mode. Remember, if I go to object mode, the whole thing is selected and actually is white. It's white because I am in the material preview. If you are in here, everything is gray because you cannot see the colors. So I move to the material preview mode so you can see these colors here. Okay, so this is selected, remember, edit mode, very important. And now, remember that I've got here the material. So the material for all of this, I've got a blue one, you will not have a blue, oh, you maybe have a blue one, I don't know. But you don't have a blue one, I believe, because I have done this before. But you will have the material one. So, what I'm going to do, what I've done before, and before I have the material, and the material was white, complete. Okay, so with the material selected, what I have done is basically, and this is very important, I move this, I select blue color, and then you can do less or more intense, it's up to you. Okay, I leave it like that. Then, what I have done is create another material, which you have here, which is material 1, but I'm going to create another one. So I'm going to create another one, new, and I'm going to say this is going to be white, and I make sure this is absolutely white. Okay, so this is white, but obviously nothing happened. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the faces that I want to be white. Okay, so faces, and I'm going to select the areas that are not in this path. So this one, hold shift, I'm going to rotate, hold shift and click, rotate, hold shift and rotate and click, rotate, hold shift and click, rotate, hold shift and click, and rotate, hold shift and click. Okay, so all of these are selected. Now I select the white, and I'm going to assign to these faces the color white. Click on that. And click. And if this is finished completely. If I go to the object mode and click on here to hide everything, now I've got my rockets. Pretty much the same. So, hopefully, you have followed my process, you understand what I've done. Be creative and innovative and change the colors of everything that you want. Okay, even if you want to, you can innovate and go into edit mode and say, I don't know, I'm going to select this face, and I'm going to go to, no, let's side view, this face, and I'm going to extrude one, and then I'm going to scale down. And I'm going to do the same with this one. And extrude. And scale. And then, obviously that's not the best one, but I've got a rocket with 2 wings. And then, if I go to object mode, and to the side view, and rotate, and this is basically ready to launch and fly. Even if you remember how to do an animation, I can animate this and fly away. Okay, but this is obviously taking things down, previous videos, previous experience, etc. If you are going to undo all of this, if you manage to do the rocket, I am very happy. So, have a go, follow the video, play the video as many times as you want, pause the video, come back, and try until you manage. First time you try, maybe it's a disaster, you can start a new one, do not worry. This is practice, practice, and more.